Hello, good afternoon. My name is Maria Alejandra, and today I'm gonna show you things that I like and I don't like. I want to say that I really love reading books. I read every time, everywhere, it doesn't matter. I think reading is like being transported in many worlds, in many lives. It's like television in your head at a higher level. My favorite book is The Little Prince. It's a simple book, but with a lot of meaning. I'm very interested in crime sciences, even I think it could be my college career. It's a very open field, full of possibilities to choose. It's an intriguing career and one that can challenge me every day. I think having a quiet night in is alright. I enjoy being in my house with my TV series, with my food and a blanket. I think it's amazing, even. I think tidying up the house is awful. I'm very lazy when my mom says, order the closet, wash the dishes. The only thing that I really want to do is stay in my bed. I feel so annoyed. And I think wake up early gets on my nerves. I really enjoy sleeping in my bed, but no, I need to go to school. Trust me, I like to go to school, but wake up at 6 o'clock, it's a nightmare. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and like and comment. Bye.